Looking for a smart, powerful, and reliable electric scooter for everyday commuting? Today, we're taking a closer look at the iScooter i9 electric scooter, a compact urban ride built for speed, comfort, and safety. Powered by a 350-watt high-performance motor, the iScooter i9 delivers quick acceleration and a top speed of up to 30 kilometers per hour. Whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling small hills, or riding across grass and uneven paths, this scooter handles it with confidence. Thanks to the smart mobile app, you can easily adjust the speed limit from 0 to 30, making it perfect for beginners, teens, or experienced riders. One of the standout features is the 8.5-inch honeycomb anti-puncture tires. These airless tires don't need inflation, can't go flat, and offer excellent shock absorption and grip. That means no maintenance, no sudden punctures, and a smoother ride on daily commutes. Safety is clearly a priority with the iScooter i9. It's equipped with a disc brake combined with an EABS anti-lock braking system, giving you strong and stable stopping power. For night rides, the bright front headlight and rear brake warning light ensure you stay visible and secure on the road. The 7.5 amp-hour lithium battery provides up to 30 kilometers of riding range on a single charge. It's built with advanced protection against overcharging and deep discharge, offering long-term durability and up to 1,000 charge cycles. Perfect for daily rides to work, school, or just around the neighborhood. With Bluetooth app control, you can track your speed, distance, riding time, battery level, and even activate cruise control for relaxed, hands-free acceleration. The app also includes a scooter self-check feature, making maintenance easy and stress-free. Foldable, lightweight, and easy to carry, the iScooter i9 is a fantastic choice for urban commuters and a great gift for friends or family. If you're searching for an electric scooter that combines power, safety, and smart features in one sleek package, the iScooter i9 is definitely worth considering.